The Bill of Rights. In 1787, the U.S. Constitution created a new government, establishing the three branches to divide power. However, many Americans did not feel like the new Constitution protected their individual rights or limited the power of the central government. As a delegate to the Constitutional Convention, George Mason refused to sign the Constitution, believing it gave too much power to a central government and was missing a Bill of Rights to guarantee individual liberty. The American people demanded a guarantee that their new government would not abuse their newly founded rights, as did their previous government. The Constitution needed to be amended. Written by James Madison and added to the Constitution in 1791, the Bill of Rights became the first 10 laws of the land. These amendments would not only limit the power of the federal government, but also protect the individual rights of the American people. When writing the Bill of Rights, James Madison drew heavily from the ideas of George Mason. A politician with years of experience, George Mason had written both the Virginia Declaration of Rights and the Constitution of Virginia. In fact, Thomas Jefferson said the ideas from George Mason influenced both the Declaration of Independence and the Bill of Rights. When Madison wrote the Bill of Rights, he wanted to make sure specific grievances were addressed, solved, that the Founding Fathers listed in the Declaration of Independence. Three main themes are included in the amendments: individual rights, protection against government power, and the rights of the accused. The Bill of Rights. Part 1. Individual rights. These amendments protect your constitutional rights to personal liberties and freedoms. Amendment. First right. Freedom of religion, speech, press, assembly, and petition. Explanation. Guarantees your right to choose and practice your own religion. Share your opinions out loud. Speech. Share information and opinions in the media. Press. Gather together. Assembly. Ask the government to make changes to a law. Petition grievance. Addressed. Colonists were not able to criticize or question the king. Amendment. Second right. The right to bear arms. Explanation. The right to own weapons to protect against government abuse. Grievance addressed. Colonists felt like the British bullied and abused them, and they had no way to protect themselves. Amendment. Third right. Free to not house soldiers. Explanation. Soldiers will not live in your home if you don't want them. Grievance addressed. Quartering Act forced colonists to house and feed troops. Part 2. Rights of the accused. These amendments protect your rights during arrests and court trials. Due process ensures that government actions that affect individuals' rights are conducted fairly and justly, with proper legal procedures in place. Amendment. Fourth right. Searches and seizure. Explanation. Police must have a valid reason from the courts to search and take your property. Grievance addressed. Colonists' homes could be searched without a reason or court warrant, and anything found could be taken and used against them. Amendment. Fifth Due Process Amendment. Right. Protection of rights to life, liberty, and property. Explanation. Protects the rights of anyone accused of a crime. It assumes that everyone is innocent until proven guilty and protects you from saying anything that may get you in trouble later. You have the right to remain silent. If the government takes your property for the public good, it must pay you a fair price. Grievance addressed. Years of prisoner abuse and unfair treatment by the hands of the British. Amendment. Sixth right. Rights of the accused in criminal cases. Explanation. Protects the accused and gives them a fair trial by their peers in criminal cases. It must be speedy, not put someone in prison for months without a trial, and fair. You will have a jury of American citizens. You also have the right to a lawyer, even if you can't afford it. Grievance addressed. The king deprives some colonists of a trial by jury. Amendment. Seventh right. Rights in civil cases. Explanation. You will receive a jury trial in civil, no law was broken cases, if the amount is over 20, Civil cases involve issues between people. Grievance addressed. The king deprived some colonists of a trial by jury. Amendment. Eighth right. Excessive bails, fines, and punishments. Forbidden explanation. This prevents the government from charging too much money for bail, money needed to get out of jail, or fines. You are also protected against cruel and unusual punishment for a crime. Grievance addressed. Not specifically stated in the Declaration of Independence, but experienced by colonists. Part 3. Protection against government power. Amendment. Ninth right. Other rights kept by the people. Explanation. You have rights that are not specifically listed in the Constitution. Grievance addressed. Added to protect the future rights of American citizens. Amendment. 10th right. Powers by the states and the people. Explanation. States have certain rights that overpower the federal government and are not specifically listed in the Constitution. Grievance addressed. Added to promote federalism, the sharing of power between state and federal government.